Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to thread your sewing machine. Super easy, let's get started. Now every sewing machine has a thread spool holder where you put your thread in, and mine is right here on top, and all I have to do is pull it up and you take your thread and you put it on top. Okay, so you want to make sure that your thread is pulled like this. You should be pulling nice and slow. There should not be anything making it go stuck, you know? Nothing should be irritating it or making it like, stop and go. So now on most sewing machines, there's always some numbers that kind of guide you to where your thread is supposed to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is, as you can see at the top here, it says number 1. Now this loop or this hook right here is a thread tensioner. That is where I'm going to put my thread through first. Like this. Then I'm going to go all the way down into number 2, go all the way up. Now this is one of my favorite parts. This part you need to use your hand wheel, and the reason why you need to use a hand wheel is because, as you can see right now, there is totally nothing at the top. But if I push my hand lever forward, if I move it forward like this, you can see the thread take up lever. And the reason why it's called that is because when you're sewing, it just goes up and down, up and down. The next thing, as you can see, number 3, to go to number 3, I need to go all the way down. And then there's number 4, right there. There's another hook over there. Now the next part, just to make it easier for you, you're gonna use your hand wheel to just pull up the needle. One advice, never ever move your hand wheel backwards. I don't really know why, but they say don't do it, so just don't do it till I find out why. I promise I'll come back to that. So you're gonna move your hand wheel forward till your needle is all the way up. Next thing is, you need to take a very sharp scissors. Okay, I got my scissors and I'm gonna cut this a little bit short, like this. And sometimes I just like to, so that it's a bit sharp, So I'm gonna take this and let it go through my needle. I'm gonna put it through my needle like this. And there we go. The needle is right through. Now always make sure before you're sewing that your thread is at least 15 to 10 centimeters long, because when you make it too short and you're sewing, it could literally pull the thread out of the needle and then there'll be no stitching happening. So make sure it's long enough. But that's just how you thread your sewing machine. It's very simple, very easy, straight to the point. If your machine is different, make sure you check your manual. I'm sure it will assist you. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. And if you love sewing, make sure to follow my YouTube channel because I have a lot in store for you.